What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your boy Richie Hustles. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I have a ton, well, I guess it's kind of built up over the past few weeks, maybe even 2 months. I have a lot of returns to open that I haven't gone through yet, and I need to get them out of here, but I need to see what's in them first. So in this video, we're going to explore what I got for returns from Amazon. Let's go. Alright guys, we don't really need a lot of explanation for this. It's pretty basic. These are items that I got returned selling on Amazon for whatever reason. Maybe the customer didn't like it. Maybe the customer didn't like it. Maybe that I didn't label it correctly. Maybe they messed up on Amazon's end and didn't, for whatever reason, became stranded. Whatever it is, this is what I'm doing. So let's open it up. We got a ton to go through today. This is going to be a great video. This is going to be a pretty funny and exciting video. I can't wait to open these up live for you guys. Let's dig into the first one. They do the packaging with the white crap inside. It makes a friggin' mess. Let me see. Okay, so first item. This looks like to be some clothing that I sent in. Okay, we'll probably put this on Mercari. It's a red fleece. Can't really see it in the bag, but it's a red fleece, like, sweater top. Where am I gonna put it? I'll put it right there. We're gonna try to go through these as quick as possible. Let's go to the next one. Whoa! All right. This one here, again with the same packaging. Try to open it carefully. All right, so this one looks like it's a it's by Zoko. I remember picking this up at Home Goods. It's an ice pop mold. Not sure why this was suppressed, and I'm not sure why, but we'll try to push it on Mercari. I'm not really interested in sending this back, so Zuku Melody ice pop mold. Okay, next ones. I swear to God, some of these I feel, and I'm like, I don't know. A lot of times people say they get things. What's this? So this is a game. So this is what people do, okay? This is a PC game. They open the game. They open the game, and then you can't sell it new anymore. You know, they return it, and now I have to sell it used. But that's okay. I'll sell it used. I'll see what I can sell it for. I'm not sure what I can sell it for, but what are you gonna do? This one's a harder. Let me see. Okay, more clothing. This is another top. It's a shirt. Nothing too interesting. Again with this. I hate this. This one is a book. It says God, a biography. So we got this as a return. Not sure why. Book. Not sure what this one is. Oh. I wonder why this came back. This was so I bet you I know why it came back. This is a brand new Dash mini waffle maker. So this makes one waffle at a time. This is pretty dope. I might actually keep this. A mini waffle maker? Who doesn't want that? And look how small it is. Like, it's pretty small. That's pretty cool. If anything, I mean, it's literally unopened. I mean, yeah, that hasn't even been touched. So I think the reason why I got this returned was because the barcode, it probably required a label and I forgot to put one on there. Next, a little squished packaging. What do we got? Some candle scents. I picked these up on clearance at Walmart. Candle wax melts. That's what they are. What's this one? So these, okay. So this is it's a Hot Wheels Star Wars edition. Character cars. It's hard to see it. I mean, we can do this. It's one of the Hot Wheels character car editions. Not sure why it got returned, but got returned. Yep, and this has books and one book, 2 books, 3 books. Oh, we got a Star Wars Hot Wheels character car. Yeah, we have another book. Next, this one sounds broken. I don't like that sound. Sounds like glass. There's always a risk when you're selling fragile. And then look how they ship it to you. Look at this. They ship it to you like... Unbelievable, man. I mean, I bet you there's no padding in this either. I mean, listen. Oh, but it is not. I don't think it's broken. It is not broken. We will be pushing this on Mercari ASAP because this particular one, the one that's marked coffee, sells like crazy. This will go up on Mercari tonight. It's an easy 40, 50 bucks right there. Some of these things I haven't sold in like months and months, but this one's heavy too. Let me see. I bet you this one's more books too. Let's see. Yep. More books. Friggin' books. Let's see what this one is. Oh, and we have a heavy duty degreaser, method degreaser. You can clean off your grills with that, you know? You know, us guys, we like our grills. You know what I mean? Next. Oh, we're keeping this moving. This is a lot, huh? What's this now? Oh! Hot Shots Radiant Blue curling wand. Big seller, but came back for whatever reason with a piece of broccoli on it. Literally, there's a piece of broccoli on that. What the hell? All right, this one's kind of light. Look, I mean, Amazon sometimes, you know, if you have it set to automatic, they'll send it to you once every 30 days. But some of these I haven't sold in a very long time. Like this here, like you needed this big box for this. Haven't sold this in a long, long time. But, and this here is a, it's the Rubbermaid take-alongs. These I got, I remember if you watched the video from before, on the Dollar Tree, I bought like 86, 87 of these, something like that. I remember getting like 2 carriages full of these, but that was last year. And I really haven't been back to Dollar Tree since, but yeah. And these you're only making like pennies on the dollar now. You're not even doubling your money with these. What are the chances of this being completely garbage and small? It's not that heavy. Let's see. You know what's never happened to me? That's happened to a lot of resellers. A lot of resellers say they've gotten things back that they've never sold before. I think they just forget what they're selling. That's never happened to me. I've never gotten back anything that I've never sold. Oh, this is the My Life as a Survivor doll. These are the special edition, I believe, you know, we hate to talk about these things, but this is the hairless, almost like she's beaten cancer. So they've come out with the dolls called the My Life Survivor dolls. These go for big money. Matter of fact, I might see what this is going for on Mercari. It doesn't seem to be opened. All the items are still there. All the little earrings, the beret, the hat, the headbands. The box is in pretty mint condition. I mean, I might see how much I can get for on Mercari for this thing, but these things are very rare. I did have both of them. I did have the African American one and I did have the white one. So this one sold like crazy, and then obviously this one I have back, but I bought like 3 of each. So all right, now I got one more box left. It's pretty big, but I feel like Amazon always overpacks. They always overpack. I've received small items that are like this big in boxes like this. Who can relate? Comment below. Let me know what you got shipped in a huge ass box. So let's see what this box is. So right off the bat, the box is super light. Like, it's super light. So I know this is gonna be garbage. But hopefully there's something valuable inside that I can resell. Okay, so it is a, wow. Okay. So a customer bought this. So this is a My Life light up like gumball machine, right? It's lit up, but it's obviously damaged. That's not how I sent it into Amazon. All the balls are inside here. They're not lined up here or here. So this person played with this, you know, decided they didn't want it. It's disconnected from the back. It's not attached to the front. This is like, I could sell this used maybe on Mercari. It doesn't even have the box to go around it. So we're gonna see if we can put in a case to get reimbursed for this if I haven't already, because I didn't send it into Amazon like this, and I'm gonna have a real hard time reselling this. It might even be trash, or not trash. I might, you know, I'll donate it to the church, something like that. But that's what this is here. This goes to the doll. This is part of the My Life line. So yeah, we'll see what we can do with that. I'm not sure what I could do with that. Probably nothing much. Yeah, so this was a different video for me. It was the first time I've done a returns video and showed you all what I've got for returns, what I was selling previously. And I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, let me know below. Let me know if you like these kind of videos, if you want to keep seeing things that I've gotten returned. I'm trying to think outside the box with this whole COVID-19 thing. I'm not going out as much, trying to protect myself and my family, although I am getting a little bit of cabin fever. I have that itch to throw on my mask, head out there and see what I can find to sell on FBM, because as you all know, Amazon has suspended their FBA program in almost every category except for 6, which I have adapted to. I am selling FBA still, but I love my toys. I love the toy market. I love toys. So let me know below, comment, and visit me on my IG page at Richie Hustles. I'm on Twitter at Richie Hustles. You're already here on my YouTube, so smash that subscribe button and the like button if you like this video. Show me some love, and hit me up on social media. Until next time, fam, I appreciate y'all being here, Hustleaholics, and I'll catch you on the next hustle.